Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be giving you some tips on moisturizing baby locks. Alright, if you're watching this video in real time, make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com because we have a buy one get one free on all of our lock moisturizers. That's our rose water products, so definitely head over to KeishaCharmaine.com. Make sure you add 2 to your cart so that you can get the second one free. Okay, so when it comes to baby locks, your best friend is a stocking cap. Get a nice sheer stocking cap of fabric that water can easily run through in and out. Put a stocking cap on when you get in the shower. Your hair will get a steaming experience and your twist will stay intact because of the firmness of the stocking cap. This is great news because that's an option for you when you are exercising. Put your stocking cap on while you're exercising, so that way when your head develops heat and you create sweat, your sweat is not going to make your hair unravel because, again, the stocking cap is keeping your hair in place. When you do finish working out, you can rinse your hair through the stocking cap to get rid of the sweat. And regardless if you are exercising or not, you want to rinse your hair because the main source of hydration for our hair is water. A lot of the times we're advised to not get our hair wet when we're early on in our lock journeys, but the truth is water helps our strands dance together and form a lock. You may find that your locks lock faster when it experiences water on a regular basis. And the safest way to do it is by using a stocking cap to keep your twist in place. So I would not necessarily recommend that people with baby locks just freely mist their hair like someone like me could, right? Especially if you are earlier on in your lock journey. Once you get to budding, once your hair is completely budded and you can find the nucleus of your lock, then cool, go for it, because your hair is not going to completely unravel, just a little bit, and that's okay. But we should not be avoiding moisturizing our hair in general just because our locks are not formed yet. There are safe ways to do it, and my favorite way to recommend is through a stocking cap. That's what I did early on in my lock journey, and it worked out for me very well. So to quickly recap, for those of you who have baby locks, starter locks, really young immature locks, and you want to moisturize your hair but you don't want to deal with unraveling, get a stocking cap. Get a nice thin stocking cap, okay? Make sure it fits you nice and firmly. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, share the video, and head over to KeishaCharmaine.com for lock products that serve you on your lock journey. If you're watching this the week this video was uploaded, make sure you hop on the Rose Water BOGO sale. Buy one, get one free, all of our Rose Water moisturizer products. And if you're watching this video down the line, that's okay. Head over to KeishaCharmaine.com anyway and see what offers are current. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.